Hello everyone, our today's topic is subject book cover design. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black micro tip pen, 1/4 side drawing paper or a drawing book. First you have to draw 1 centimeter border onto your page. Write down the heading on the top. On the left hand corner write down today's date. Now first we are going to draw an 18 by 25 centimeter rectangle for the book cover design. First we have to take a distance of 4 centimeter between the two border lines from the right hand side and a left hand side. First take a 2 points from the left hand side and then draw on a vertical line. Now take a 18 centimeter distance from this first line and put a 2 dots on a paper and draw a second vertical line for the book cover design. Now turn the page from the upper border line. We take on a 5 centimeter distance and put a 2 dots on a paper, and these 2 points we join together to get an upper side for the book cover design. Now from this upper line we take a 25 centimeter distance and complete our rectangle for our book cover design. This is our 18 by 25 centimeter rectangle. Now we darken with the 2B pencil. Now starts a drawing related to book cover design. On upper side write down the heading, and on lower side you have to draw on a topic related drawing. I am taking on a design for a maths subject for class 9th. Also I write down the class author's name and I am start coloring on a drawing. I am starts with the yellow color for the birds. Here in a drawing I have drawn on a 3 birds which is flying in a sky and spreading on a colors behind them. That is a knowledge they are spreading all over the world while they are growing up and giving a message. You have to go ahead to spreading your knowledge and go up in a sky. And in maths also you learn different equations, different solutions, and you get on a knowledge, and you have to spread this knowledge through teaching and learning different topics in all subjects. And we teachers are like on a bird. We spread our knowledge to students by teaching different topics and subjects, and this is a good example for drawing for a school book. That's why I select this topic for our school book. I apply a different shades of yellow in a wing as well as in the colors spread by the bird, like yellow, chrome yellow, yellow ochre, so that it gets a multicolor assignment. While applying a color you have to be careful. The color scheme as well as the application, you have to apply a color very carefully so that your drawing should be gets a nice look. I apply a color like a gradation, dark to light, again light to dark, in such a way so that it gets a vibration also. You can see it starts the lemon yellow, then chrome yellow, then yellow ochre, then slightly add an orange in a yellow, then red, and finally I here apply a red color so that it gets a vibration of yellow to red. This is a final tone for this bird. You can see how beautifully we done this application, and it gets a vibration of the colors. Now we start with the second bird. Here Again we starts with a brownish red color. We apply on a orange plus brown and slight amount of red to get this tone. It's not on a pure red color, it's a brownish red color which has a three colors mixture: orange, red and brown. The application must be in a same direction so that it gets in a plain tone. Now this tone I'm adding small amount of orange and apply in this part, and then carry on in a sprayed colors. This is an orangish reddish color, and here we apply in a sprayed colors. Here also we showing on the same gradation technique. Light to dark color scheme we apply here. We apply on a different shades of the colors, warm color, cool colors, every colors we use here so that our drawing look colorful. We starts with a yellowish orangish tones, reddish tones. Afterward we apply bluish and greenish colors also, and whatever color we use here on a birds we carry on in a sprayed colors so that it's look on a very nice color scheme and our drawing gets an vibration. While applying a color you have to be careful because you have to apply a color very properly in a given drawing. That's why you use a different number of brush. All 0 to 10 number brush you can use here because some patches are big, some patches are very much small. I have a practice of applying on a different shades in a different dimensions very easily, so I can apply in a smaller parts also with the bigger size of the brush, but you have to use a small number of brush in a small size of the drawing. Here we apply a pinkish color. For that I am taking a same color which is we use orangish reddish color, adding some white colors. Here are the two tones of the pink color, slightly dark pink color, and this is a lightish pink color. While making poster colors for the application, you don't add more water in a colors. You make a colors like a lassi. The thickness of the or the quantity of the color should be slightly thick. Now in a third bird we using a chrome yellow color. These colors we apply in a birds also. Same way apply an orange color. Now in the first applications we apply only the warm colors, only yellow, red, orange and brown colors. Here we apply a pure red color which is we not apply it. In first bird the red we use, in that red we slightly add a brown color, but this is a pure red color. On a corner of the spreading lines of the middle bird we apply a more lighter tone of the pink, and this tone also we apply in a bird. While applying in a color you should apply a color in one direction. You hold a brush and apply a brush in one direction from up to down direction, or from the left to right, or right to left if you are on a lefty. Here we starts with the cool color scheme. First we starts with the light green color. Apply on a green color in a spreaded part of the bird, and the same tone we apply in a birds also. Some colors are transparent, some colors are opaque, like yellow, orange, yellow ochre, light green, violet. All the colors are a transparent color. That's why when we apply on a color on a paper, you must add some white color in these colors, so that white color increase the opacity of these colors and application gets smoother. Here also in light green color I add some white color so that the application gets smoother, and you can see the we get a plain application on a paper. This is the second tone of the light green color, which I am adding more white color in it. With a 3 to 4 number brush you can apply this color in this part. Also these shades we apply in a birds also, you can see here. Here we take on a different shade of the green color, a dark green color, that is poster green color, and I apply this color with the same brush, but you can apply this application with a bigger brush. 6 to 7 number brush you can use here. You must add small amount of white so that you get a plain application here. While making a color, you should make color in a quantity. If sometime you apply color and the colors gets over in between, so it's difficult to make same tone again. In bird also we apply on a cool colors. That's why cool color and warm color combination on a bird gets a very nice look to the bird. You can see here, this is a dark tone of the green. I am adding some blue color in this green color to get a darkened tone of the green. Here also we make a dark to light combination. On a corner we take a light green color, then dark green, medium green, light green. So we get vibrations of the colors here. Be careful when you apply color. The tiny lines you have to fill up with the tip of the brush. Here comes your patience, how you patiently and perfectly apply on a color. Now this is on a greenish grayish tone. For that I am adding a white color in a darkish tone of the green, and that's why it gets a grayish tone of the green. Green, brown plus white gets a greenish grayish tone of the green. This is a tertiary color. When two secondary colors mix together, we get a new color, that color known as a tertiary color. Here we add green plus orange and we get a yellowish gray, like similarly a greenish gray color, and we apply on a thin tone and shade of this greenish gray color. We apply two tones of the greenish gray color, medium and light, by adding a white color. Now we start with the lettering. For that I am taking a sap green color, so that we take an advantage of the green color which is we used in a bird. And for the class we use a blue color, and for the author's name we use a red color. While write down the letters, directly write down with the brush, But if you are not comfortable, you can write down the letters with the double lines and then fill up the colors inside these double lines. I am directly write down with the brush. Different size of brush you can use for the write down the letters. You can see for the subject name I am taking on a bold size of the brush, and for the class and author's name I am using on a small size of brush. This is in a final step for our book cover design. Afterward you have to trace this drawing with the black macro tip pen. If you don't want to trace, you just wanted to or outline the border lines of the book with the black macro tip pen. Here I am write down the publisher names. I am not mention any publisher's name here. That's why just write down the school publication. If you want to draw an icon for the publisher, you can draw above this school publication. I am giving a dimension to the headline with the black lines so that it gets a bold look. You can make on a different topics of the subject cover design. Here I am showing on a subject book for the mathematics. You can make on a subject book for the drawing, science, Hindi, Marathi topics, or for the IT also you can make. This is just an example for you. Now you have to use your creativity to make on a book cover design. You can use on a black macro tip pen also for the borderline if you want. This is on a final step of our book cover design. I am tracing the outline with the black macro tip pen. I hope you understand this demonstration. I know you make on a different subject book with the help of this book cover design. For that you have to practice at home and use your creativity to make on a different book cover designs. Thank you. Best of luck.